What's the meaning of crash? Crash. Crash.
Crash. Crash. The term crash typically refers to a sudden and unexpected failure of a system or process, often resulting in a complete shutdown or malfunction. This can occur in various contexts, such as with computer software, financial markets, transportation vehicles, and more. The effects of a crash can range from minor inconveniences to catastrophic disasters, depending on the severity and scope of the incident. In some cases, crashes can pose significant risks to life and safety, while in others they may lead to temporary inconvenience or economic losses.